Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to process a manual payment. First of all, we need to understand what is the business scenario. Say, we have to make payment to the supplier on an ad hoc basis. We use the option called manual payment since he is very good to us and he is a long-time vendor to us. He requested early payment and we processed the payment outside of the system, but we have created the invoice, and since we have created the invoice, we have to mark it as paid so that double payment will not happen. So that is the reason why we will process manual payment so that invoice will be marked as paid, and the back-end jobs, ESS jobs will not run, so that when there is any payment integration, automatically payment will not be happened to that particular invoice to the supplier. Now let's see how we can process the payments to the supplier. Click on payables, click on payments, click on task list or task pane, click on create payment, select your supplier, ERPZEN supplier. Based on the supplier, automatically system will populate supplier site, and I want to process the payment today. Now here type select manual so that system will not run any back-end jobs and it will not pick up for integration. Now select your disbursement bank account, select your payment process profile, select invoices. I want to process the payment for 210. Click on apply, click on OK. Now if you click on save and close, earlier it has formatted the payment file. Now system will not run any jobs. Now click on save and close. 107115. Now click on star icon, click on monitor processes, hit refresh. You can see system has not scheduled or run any process. So that means the invoice is marked as paid and double payment will not happen to that supplier again. In this way, integration will not pick the invoices for payment. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please press like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.